I just bought $100 worth of clothing and shoes from the Goodwill bins, and I'm giving a portion of it away for free, shipping covered to one lucky subscriber. That's right, guys. In today's video, I'm giving away 10% of everything that I buy in the Goodwill bins. There's just a few things that you have to do in order to enter into this free drawing. Number one, you gotta like this video. Number two, be subscribed to the channel. Number three, there are gonna be 3 keywords that I'm going to hide throughout the video. You have to find those keywords and put those 3 words together to create a comment. So you'll have a 3-word comment that you'll place down below, and that will be your entering ticket. Now, unfortunately, because I'm covering the shipping, I can only ship to addresses within the United States.
Pull that paint off and sell these for 20 bucks. Oh, rest in peace. Rest in pieces. $20 if you're willing to clean it. Clark's, another excellent $20 to $30 deal right here. I'll take them. So these are good for bear paw. This is good for winter and fall. I'll take them. Honestly, you could sell these, but I'm not going to. Super dirty grass cutting. These are Saucony Cohesion 13s. No rips or tears. The sole is intact. There's good tread. They're dirty, but if you put in the sweat equity, they are worth it. I'm taking a pair of basic. A little rough. Could use some cleaning. If we clean them, we can get 20 bucks out of them. Bear traps boots, not bad. Going into fall, or in fall, so these might do well. There's a little bit of food on there. We will take it. Sumacs. So this looks very interesting to me. It's made in the USA. 20 bucks plus shipping. 29 free shipping, not bad. Can't tell the brand of these. Born Crown, I don't know what that is. Jessica Simpson. Oh, here we go. $37 to $50, 30 plus shipping, 60. These are just like all different styles. 18. Let's find the other one. Definitely a good pickup if we can find that pair to it. There it is. Let's make sure the zippers work. That's good. So a $40 boot, right in time for fall. They look good. What is this? Is it supposed to do that? Yeah, it's supposed to do that. All right, cool. Whoa. It's a little bit dinged right here, but we will just take a marker and fix that up. Birkenstocks, a little beat up. We'll clean them and sell them. Got a pair of Vans Authentics, dirty. We'll clean them and sell them. Good $25 pickup. And some more Sperry's.
All right, the first keyword for you is best. B-E-S-T.
Ooh, what is it? Fake. These are Vans I will not pick up because they're totally beat up.
Hey guys, just wanted to stop in real quick and thank you for watching the video, and also to remind you to stay to the end so you can see what items the winner will be receiving. I've got everything picked out. I'm happy to share it with you. Let's get back to the video.
These Patagonia boots. We might have to look into these. Not sure, but I'll check those out in a minute. This whole bin has not been picked through yet. So, oh, some Heelys. Nice. find a pair to it. Crocs, we're winning. $20.
Oh.
Let's see. Some Echo casual shoes, walking shoes. They need a little bit of polish work, but I have polish and I know how to work it. So we're looking for the pair for this. Heelys, got it. A good 25 bucks right there. More Crocs. Oh man, this is a really good condition pair. I need to find a mate for this. I will tear that fur out and just sell it without the fur. This is a really good condition pair. These Skechers memory foam wedges do really well for me in like the $20 range. Like literally 18 to 20 bucks plus shipping. They do well. So we'll take them. What are these? Cromer resort wear. Interesting. Let's look it up and see what it is. Heck yeah. I had no idea. So these are like water shoes that are perforated all over. Definitely gonna get those. $30. Perfect pair of Vans. Kids Vans with the Corgi unicorn. Heck yeah. Oh no, the inside. Please no. There's no insole. And can we find some insoles? I think I will find some insoles. I'm gonna put in the effort to find some insoles for these. Like I might even take a pair of insoles out of some of the Vans I have at home to put into those. Heck yeah, tropical Vans. We do have to go through everything and make sure that all of these items are in good condition to where we can actually resell them. Once again, colored on. But I can clean this off with some Glue Gun, so we'll take these for $20 flip. Dansko sandals, I'll take them. So for this giveaway, someone's going to be getting some shoes for sure. Some Vans, what are these? Low End Theory. I'll take those. Crocs, can sell those. Get these for my wife, I think.
A friend of mine called at this point and we talked for about 20 minutes about the stock market and some moves we're making. So I still filmed so you could see what I was getting, but we were chatting a little bit during this time.
Yeah, what's up? Oh dang, I haven't looked at it in a while. I think because I averaged down, I think I'm at like 156. Yeah. What's your buy-in on? So are you planning on holding the CEI until like $5, or are you gonna no? So consistently, it's ridiculous. Like you could like just hitting like resistance and supports, and I'm looking at it thinking like, man, if I would have sold on my gut when I was profitable, I need to be doing this. Old Navy pineapple shorts. Another Disney. Let's see what size this is.
The second keyword for you is bins, B-I-N-S.
J. Crew women's scalloped shorts. So So if we do 19 free shipping, they cost about 60 cents. We should be good with that. Karen's got petite embroidered Christmas button shirt. Harley Davidson t-shirt. Oscar de la Renta quarter zip, $30. 30 bucks plus shipping.
We're gonna give this video 48 hours of being live in order to collect the comments, the likes, the shares, and then I will create a YouTube video using a random comment selector and choose the winner that way. Now, if you win, you can collect the winning yourself, or you can defer it to someone else of your choosing. It could be someone that follows the channel or doesn't. You can gift it, whatever you want, as long as they're in the United States. That is the only big stipulation.
Got some Noble right here. Tread's good, but this is so filthy. I think I'm gonna get these as a project, see if I can actually get them clean.
Of course, I had to go through all the inventory to make sure that it was in good condition and worth selling, because we don't want to buy garbage, and I definitely don't want to give away garbage. And then I took a second here to get the thumbnail photo, which is always a little bit of an awkward thing, but it's okay. All right, so now for the exciting part. First off, before we get to the exciting part, your third word is bargains. Word number 3 is bargains, B-A-R-G-A-I-N-S, bargains. So best, bins, bargains is the comment you got to put down below. I will use a random comment selector to pick the winner, but let's go over what you're getting. So let's first start with the clothing stuff. I pulled 16 items. I can't give 1.6 items away, which is 10%. So I'm just gonna give 2 items away out of the 16. And I think that you'll make a few dollars off of this, whoever you are, the winner. We've got this Harley Davidson embroidered, stitched shirt, really nice. It's a women's extra small. It still has this little string on there, so I'm thinking that it's probably new. It just doesn't have the actual tag on it. But I think that this extra small Harley Davidson shirt can definitely pull a few bucks. If you sell it for 20, free shipping, you should walk away with about $12 in your pocket, which it's free to use, so there's that. The other thing, because we're going into fall, winter time, I'm including this Oscar de la Renta 100% cotton quarter zip sweater. I believe this is a men's, and this is a size extra large. So men's extra large, quarter zip, 100% cotton. You should be able to sell this for $30 very easily. Oscar de la Renta is a very good brand. If you find it out in the wild, in the public, in the thrift stores, and you can find a cashmere, those go for $100 plus. Oscar de la Renta is a great brand to pick up. So those are the 2 clothing items. Now onto the shoes. For the kids' shoes, we picked up 9 pairs. I'm giving one of them away. I can't give 0.9 pairs, which is 10%, so I'm giving 1 whole pair away. And so for that pair, we're gonna do this pair of slip-on Crocs. Now, listen guys, I'm not cleaning all of the shoes and all the inventory before I send it. You're getting it straight from the bins. If you don't have a Goodwill outlet or a Goodwill bins near you, or if you just haven't been to one, this is how it is. You go in there, you find tons of dirty stuff, you put the work into it, the sweat equity, and you walk away with some profit. So somebody's gonna be getting this great condition, albeit very dirty pair of Crocs slip-ons. These are a youth size or men's size 5, so youth size 5. You should be able to sell these very easily for 20 bucks plus first class shipping. On to the adult pairs. We picked up 21 pairs of adult shoes. I can't give 2.1 pairs. That would be the 10%, but it's also very weird. So I'm giving away 3 pairs. We're actually giving away more than 10% throughout this entire haul. The first pair I want to keep, honestly. I want them for myself, but I think that somebody out there will have a very easy time selling these Cromer resort wear slip-on water type shoes. They're made similar to like Crocs, but they're very colorful, they're very clean, they're minimal cleaning on these, if any. Ready to list, you should be able to get 30 bucks, I believe, plus shipping on these. This next pair, you might have to put a little bit of work into it. They're slightly dirty. The bottoms look really good. It's this pair of tropical Vans. I've sold so many pairs of these and they do really well in the $29 to $35 range. You can do free shipping or plus shipping. I already checked these out. They're in really good condition. You should definitely be able to sell these relatively quickly. And then the last pair is this pair of Sperry's, also very clean, minimal cleaning needed on these. Really, the Crocs are the only ones that are like really dirty. The only issue with this pair that I would say is that one of the lace tips is a little bit frayed right there. It's missing the plastic. Otherwise, a very clean pair. This is a men's size 6, so you could sell it as a men's 6 or a youth 6, or you could sell it as a women's 7.5. I would honestly go with the women's 7.5, and then just disclose in the description that they're men's size 6, but they fit women's size 7.5. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.